Hello children. Today we start with inserting of an image in our web page. We've seen the text, how we can write on the text in the form of a paragraph, in the form of a list. Now let's see that if we want to enhance our web page with little pictures, then how can we bring in the pictures? What is the tag to bring in the picture, to insert a picture in the web page? So I open two screens in front of you. One is of the browser and other is of the notepad. I'll write down the code to insert the image. IMG is the tag. Along with IMG, children, you require one attribute along with it, and that is SRC. SRC stands for source. From where do I bring the image is the source that I will write down here, so that when I run my page in the browser, it brings the image from the source. Alright, so let me search a JPG image. So you have different types of images. I hope you all know they are JPG. You have PNG, you have GIF. So there are different types of images. जैसे ये चलो ये वाली ले लेते हैं. I copy the full path of this image and I place it here. इसको यहाँ पे मैंने complete copy किया हुआ है and I place the image here. So children, the source of the image has to be within double quotes completely. Okay. So here now I have skipped writing all that body and all that. You should write down everything. Body tag, and I close the body tag here. आप बाकी सब कुछ भी आपको हमेशा लिखना चाहिए. Let me save the notepad file. I've already given the name as image, so I'll just click on save. Okay. Browser पे आते हैं. Let us run my file here, image.html. So this is the image that I have chosen. अब ये इतनी बड़ी इमेज है because this is a wallpaper type of a thing. पूरा स्क्रीन ले लिया है इसने, isn't it? So what I do here is I write down different attributes of the image, which is going to give me different small image or howsoever I want it in a customized manner. ये तो image जैसी थी वैसी आई है. This is same as the background that we have done for body. ठीक है. If I want the image in the smaller form, then I do have the width and the height attribute. Now children, this width and height that I have used, width is equal to 100, height is equal to 100. Unit उसका क्या है? That is pixels. I'm talking about 100 pixels and height also 100 pixels. So you can give it in two ways. One is pixels and another is percentage. So here I've given it in pixels. Okay. So let us save and see the difference. ये देखो, the image which it was has come out to be smaller, the size, because I've given the height and width of the image. If you want, you can increase the width of the image to see it clearly. Let us say we have given it 400, save it, and तो इसकी height increase हुई है, sorry, width increase हुई है. Let us increase the height. And okay, so let us take this as the size of the image that we want, where we can clearly see the picture. So to insert the image in a web page, you require the tag IMG. IMG is the tag which will not execute without its one attribute, that is SRC. बाकी आप कोई attribute you include or you do not include, that is upon you, but the tag IMG should have this attribute src, ये मैंडेटरी है, ठीक है. Like in font also we did the tag font wherein one of the attribute has to be written alone. Font will have no meaning. Font के 3 attributes थे, face, color and size. Any one has to be written along with it. So 3 attributes we've seen here, src, width, height. एक और देख लो, border. Again the value that I'm giving here is in pixels. If I write on 2, that means 2 pixels. You'll see a border around my image. I save it, I refresh it, ये देखो एक border आ जाता है image के साथ. If you want a thicker border, you can increase the number, save and refresh. There's a thicker border around the image. So this is how the image works, children. src is compulsory here. Width and height are the two. Width, height, border we've seen are the attributes which are not compulsory. You use them according to your own wish. Now children, there is one more attribute here which is called as alt. Alt means alternate text. Alternate text का क्या मतलब होता है? That if my image is not being viewed, अगर image view नहीं हो रही है तो instead of my image, my this text is going to be viewed. चलो for example हम इस image का ना path गलत कर देते हैं, ठीक है. तो इसका हमने path wrong कर दिया है. Now when I see, ये देखो इमेज नहीं आई है, मेरा बॉर्डर उतना ही है, हाइट उतनी है, विड्थ उतनी है, बट द इमेज इज नॉट देयर एंड माय ऑल्ट इज बीइंग डिस्प्लेड. सो ऑल्ट स्टैंड्स फॉर alternate text. So it is an option that if my image is not there, at least I come to know what this image was all about. Clear हुआ? So this is the meaning of inserting the image in a web page, children. This is very very important and interesting that you can place the images wherever you feel like. आप जहाँ IMG टैग प्लेस करोगे, मैंने बॉडी के नीचे IMG से ही स्टार्ट किया है. सी माई वेब कंटेंट इज स्टार्टिंग विद माई इमेज ओनली, ठीक है. देयर इज अनदर इमेज दैट यू शुड नो. नेक्स्ट चिल्ड्रन, लिंकिंग को देखते हैं अभी. हाउ टू क्रिएट हाइपरलिंक्स इन एन HTML वेब पेज. हाइपरलिंक क्या होता है? आजकल एवरीथिंग वर्क्स अलोंग विद हाइपरलिंक. हाइपरलिंक मीन्स यू आर क्लिकिंग अ टेक्स्ट and that text takes you to some other place. That means you are not in where you were, you have gone to some other page, site, anywhere else with the help of that text. So you have jumped from one text or one place to another when I say hyperlink. Hyperlink create करने के लिए children we require a tag which is called as a tag. A is for anchor. Again, along with the anchor tag, I would require one mandatory attribute here, and that is href. Href stands for hypertext reference. Means hypertext reference here means कि when I click my, suppose the टेक्स्ट इज क्लिक. अगर मैं टेक्स्ट क्लिक को क्लिक कर रही हूँ तो वेयर शुड आई गो, वेयर विल इट टेक मी टू. तो वो जो डेस्टिनेशन का एड्रेस है, वो फाइल है, साइट है, जो भी है, तो जो डेस्टिनेशन का एड्रेस है हैज टू बी रिटन इनसाइड दिस href. सो लेट मी राइट डाउन द डेस्टिनेशन एड्रेस. लेट्स से आई एम, इसमें हमने पहली फाइल बनाई थी try.html. दैट फाइल स्टिल एग्जिस्ट इन माय कंप्यूटर. सो लेट मी ट्राई दिस. ये बॉडी को क्लोज करने के बाद लिख रहे हैं हम लोग, विच इज रॉन्ग. the body has to be closed below. ठीक है, सेव किया, ये देखो क्लिक मेरा यहीं पर आ गया बिकॉज बी आर नहीं दिया था. लेट अस गिव अ बी आर हियर एंड देन ब्राउज, इसको रिफ्रेश करेंगे. नाउ सी माई क्लिक हैज बिकम अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ अ टेक्स्ट. और अगर आप ध्यान से देखो तो नीचे इट इज शोइंग मी दैट वेयर इट इज गोइंग टू टेक मी. मैंने क्लिक किया नहीं है अभी. I have just placed my mouse on the text. अब मैं इसको क्लिक करूं तो it is going to take me to the try.html file. ये देखो. So from one file I have reached to another file. So in a website you have 1, 2, 3, 4 n number of pages. To go from one page to the second page, it's easy. You finish the first page, you go to the second page. Finish the second page, you go to the third page. But what if from the first page you want to go to the fifth page? From the fifth page you want to come back to the second page. So all these pages, they have different addresses, children, and in my href the address will be written to where I want to go to. Now this type of linking is called as external linking. Why? Because it has brought me from one file, it has taken me to a second file. It has externally, it has made me out of the current file which I was in. I am in image.html, लेकिन जब मैं क्लिक कर रही हूँ तो मेरा क्लिक मुझे एक दूसरी फाइल में लेकर आ रहा है. That means I am externally leaving the file that I was in. So that is called as external linking. एक और चीज होती है चिल्ड्रन which is called as internal link. Internal link का क्या मतलब होता है? Internal link means that this is my page. I am not going from this page anywhere. Externally बाहर कहीं नहीं जा रही हूँ, but I am moving from, let's say, from one position from here to, let's say, here. So instead of, आप बोलोगे scroll bar है उसके लिए. So instead of using a scroll bar which is going to scroll me through each and every line of the web page, I straight away jump from one position to another position. That is called as internal linking. And if you want to take an example of internal linking, then it will be Wikipedia, children. If you have noticed, आप विकीपीडिया में किसी भी टॉपिक पे क्लिक करते हो, आप उस टॉपिक के पास आप टॉपिक पे पहुंचते हो. इफ़ यू नोटिस, स्क्रॉल बार से भी अगर आप चलोगे ना तो यू विल रीच टू दैट पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक. यू आर नॉट गोइंग इन एनी अदर फाइल, यू आर इन द सेम फाइल, यू आर जस्ट चेंजिंग द पोजिशंस. सो वेयर यू वर इन द टॉपिक, वो टॉपिक चूज करने वाला एरिया, दैट वाज द इंडेक्स एरिया. यू चोज वन टॉपिक, you came to that particular topic only straight away in the same file. So that is called as internal linking. For example, we are sitting in a classroom. The boy on the first bench, ठीक है, गर्ल also, अल्फिया हमेशा फर्स्ट बेंच पे बैठती है. Let me tell अल्फिया, you get up and go to the third row. So what will happen? She will shift and go to the third row. But if I say, Alfia, go down in the staff room, bring my book. So what will happen? She will take the stairs, she will take a proper path. What I told her, staff room, she will go to that particular area only, on the table, bring the book from there. So external linking is जो staff room, जो destination मैंने दिया है, ठीक है. So she has gone out of the classroom to that staff room, gone there, taken the book. That is external. And internal is when I say from the first bench shift to the third bench. So she will not first come to the second bench and then come to the third bench. No, she will straight away get up from the first, go to the third or the sixth bench if I tell her to go. So internal linking is when I'm moving in that same very file only. Understood? Now प्रॉब्लम यहाँ पे क्या आएगी कि व्हेन आई से एक्सटर्नल लिंकिंग तो ये href में हमने बहुत इजीली एक पाथ था जो जहाँ मेरी फाइल सेव थी, आई गेव दैट पाथ एंड माई hyperlink took me to that file very easily. The problem with internal linking will be that how to give that particular address, because when I am in the same room, same file, अब उस room में first or sixth bench we can identify. If I tell her get up from here and go back में she can go to a fifth row also, she can go to sixth row also, she can go to seventh row also, isn't it? So that specific position has to be given, and that is given with the help of not a path like this but a simple text, but it is preceded by a symbol hash. Suppose हमने ये एड्रेस दिया है #d, ठीक है. अब इस #d को चिल्ड्रन href का मतलब होता है रेफरेंस फॉर दी हाइपर टेक्स्ट. दैट मीन्स मेरा ये जो हाइपर टेक्स्ट है इसके लिए ये रेफरेंस है कि ये यहाँ जाना चाहिए. दिस इज सपोज टू गो टू दिस पर्टिकुलर एड्रेस. नाउ इन माई दिस कंप्लीट वेब पेज हैव आई गिवन दिस एड्रेस एनीवेयर एल्स? वेयर विल इट सर्च? वेयर विल इट फाइंड? इट विल नॉट बी एबल टू फाइंड इट एनीवेयर. So let me give that address also somewhere so that it reaches there. That address is given with the help of same tag but a different attribute, and that is name. ठीक है, समझ में आया? अब इसको ये एड्रेस जो #d था, it could search it here as d. I am here. Okay, let us see that what change it has done to us. Click and I am here. कुछ डिफरेंस दिखा तुम्हें? I am here भी दिख रहा है, क्लिक भी यहीं दिख रहा है, तो तुम्हें कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आएगा दैट वो I am here क्लिक से तो नहीं आया, वो ऑलरेडी दिख रहा है. So what we are going to do here is I am going to separate my hypertext and my destination with the help of the BRs so that I am able to see one thing at a time. मुझे destination भी एक ही टाइम पे उसी टाइम पे दिख रही है, isn't it? So let me just copy these BRs and place these number of BRs. बिकॉज स्क्रीन की लेंथ बहुत बड़ी है चिल्ड्रन, उसको हम इस तरह से प्लेस करें ताकि वो हमारे को एक स्क्रीन में नहीं दिखे. ओके, अभी देखते हैं कितना दूर पहुंचा ये. नाउ आई एम नॉट एबल टू सी माई डेस्टिनेशन, सो माई डेस्टिनेशन विल ओनली बी. ओके, नाउ वी हैव कॉपीड दीज BRs. सी देयर आर सो मेनी नंबर ऑफ BRs दैट आई हैव कॉपीड. Why have they been done? So that I want to distant apart my href and my destination. Okay children, so I save my and just refresh my. See, look here now, the hypertext is here and where am I going to go? वो जब तक मैं क्लिक नहीं करूंगी तब तक आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू सी. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस नाउ हियर? बिकॉज इन माई दिस पेज आई डू नॉट हैव एनीथिंग अदर देन href एंड a-name. बीच में कुछ नहीं था तो मैंने BRs डाल दिए. हो सकता है यू माइट क्रिएट अ वेबसाइट और वेब पेज वेयर इन यू हैव समथिंग इन बिटवीन href एंड a-name सो दैट व्हेन यू क्लिक यू कम टू दैट पर्टिकुलर डेस्टिनेशन. तो इसको अभी हम क्लिक करेंगे तो हियर आई एम हियर. Only then I can see this, only when I click it, not otherwise. And if you notice there is a scroll bar also coming here. ये देखो, it's either with the scroll bar I go up and down or I click and I go down. This kind of linking children is called as internal linking, where I am not changing the address of my file, I am just changing the position in my page. I am jumping from one position to another. In fact, not even just changing, I am jumping from one position to another. Okay, now children, we had done, if you remember, body में हमने tags attribute किए थे a link and v link. तो a link अगर मैं देखो डालती हूँ red, see the difference. Now this is because it is concerning with the hypertext, और यहाँ पे हमारा hypertext क्योंकि बना है, तो let me see that what my a link is going to do. ये देखो, जब मैंने क्लिक किया है, now I have clicked it, it has become red because a means active. Active means when I am clicking it. So when I am clicking it, it is changing the color to red because a link means active link. So this is the meaning of these attributes that we had left over. Body tag के attributes, if you remember, please go back. We had done the attributes, a link, v link, वो visited link का था, और a link was active link. So this is the meaning of those attributes. Clear हुआ ये? Now children, one more small thing is left. अभी आज हमने img किया है, which is an empty tag. a tag किया है, which is a container tag. Both of the tags, they require one mandatory attribute children, src and href. ठीक है, एक तीसरा टैग करके देखते हैं चिल्ड्रन, एक वन more tag to just enhance your web page is marquee. Marquee is when I am having a moving text. If you children can just visualize that sometimes on the web page you can see the text moving from left to right, continuously move करता रहता है आपका text. That is the marquee. So we have marquee behavior is equal to slide. This is the type that my text is going to move. So here I am writing down the text that is going to move. It is a container tag children. So marquee behavior is equal to slide, sliding text लिखा है मैंने. Let me copy these this, and because it has three different behaviors children, तो हम तीन अलग अलग behaviors को change करके we'll see that what is the difference between the three behaviors. तो यहाँ sliding की जगह भी alternate कर देते हैं, और third is scroll. This is the default text children. Now please see the difference in the three behaviors. ठीक है, सेव किया, refresh किया. Oh God, there is a marquee. Marquee has come down. अच्छा, मैंने I am here के बाद लिखा है. Can you see the difference children? The first one is sliding. एक बारी ऐसे slide होके वो stop हो गया. Alternate, it is touching the wall, coming here, again touching the wall. ठीक है, और scroll में क्या हो रहा है, वो नीचे जा रहा है, हमें ऐसा लग रहा है पीछे से, again it is coming back. So this is scrolling of the text. Sliding, alternate, scrolling of the text. Okay. So along with this behavior attribute children, we can give a height. Height is equal to 10 pixels. Again, it can be in percentage or in pixels. Width is equal to 600 pixels. These are the attributes children. BG color is equal to red. So I am writing down all these attributes simultaneously: behavior, height, width, BG color. These are the 4 attributes that I have written. इसको refresh करते हैं, तो अभी देखो here I have written, because my उसका height बहुत ही छोटा था, that is why it is not able to show the complete marquee to us. थोड़ा सा उसका height हमने बढ़ाया है, तो it is showing us the complete text. पहले मैंने 10 pixels लिया था, then I changed to 20 pixels, so the height has increased to 20 pixels. Width 600 pixels लिया है, तो उसने पूरा browser screen cover कर लिया है. Background color has been taken as red. So can you visualize that this is, sometimes you on a web page see that there is some text which is moving, and as I told you that scroll is a default value. तो अगर आप behavior नहीं लिखते हैं, even then it is going to have the scrolling text as the default value. तो behavior आप नहीं लिखोगे तो भी आपका वो टेक्स्ट जो है स्क्रॉल करेगा. ऑल्टरनेट में भी अगर बिहेवियर नहीं लिखोगे तो भी वो क्या करेगा, स्क्रॉल ही करेगा, बिकॉज स्क्रॉल इज द बाय डिफॉल्ट बिहेवियर ऑफ द मार्की टेक्स्ट. ओके चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज जस्ट another text to give a different feeling to your web page. Nothing compulsory that you have to use this text. करना है तो करो इस टेक्स्ट को, ये एक एक्स्ट्रा टेक्स्ट दैट आई एम टेलिंग यू. बट दिस इमेज इंसर्टिंग, hyperlinking, this you should know. These are there to have your web page, to create a complete web page, children. Okay, so we are just left with, children, one topic, and that is tables. We finish with the chapter after doing tables. Thank you, children.